In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Uber Eats for food delivery. So let's just get straight into the video. So first things first, if you haven't already downloaded and installed the Uber Eats application, go ahead and do that and make sure that you are logged in into an account. I've already taught how to go ahead and make an account and log in. And once you've done that, all you need to do now is simply go ahead and select your location up over here on the top left of your screen. Simply go ahead and look for the restaurant that you want to order from. And now simply go ahead and select whatever you want to order and then click on add to basket. Finally, all you need to do now is click on view basket and then click on go to checkout. You can also go ahead and choose your dipping sauces if you want to, and once you do that, there's going to be a couple of ways you can do it. So standard is going to be free, there's going to be scheduled, there's going to be priority, and then simply go ahead and select your payment method right down here and then click on checkout, and that is it. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment